Hello, and thanks for watching this very quick video showcasing Satori and Amazon AWS Athena. We're going to show just a few different web pages here and the end result. On the screen first up, we have a great resource, the Amazon Athena workshop. And we've gone ahead and walked through some of the steps all the way up to Amazon Basics. The end result of walking through these is that we have over here Athena up and running with just some default data from the Amazon Review Parquet dataset. And if we ran that query, we're going to pretend that this is sensitive information. We're going to pretend that the customer ID is sensitive, that the product title is sensitive, and so forth. So this is a really great workshop that any technical resource out there can walk through to get set up with Athena directly in their AWS account. Similarly, Satori has really great documentation around how to connect to AWS Athena. We've gone ahead and done that with this sample workshop account. So here's a connection. And what happens is that instead of connecting to your original Amazon string, your Athena string, you're instead going to connect to the Satori endpoint. A really great feature is that you can actually broker usernames and passwords. So if I go over to my favorite database tool here, DataGrip, and click Edit, there is no user in AWS called ty_demo. We're actually handling that in Satori, and then we've gone ahead and connect. You can see on the screen here that we're redacting that same information that we were just showing you in Athena, and that's because we're running it through the Satori platform. And let's go back over to Satori real quick. We sort of cheated because this information wasn't really sensitive per se. Product title isn't sensitive or the review headline, but we've gone ahead and used our Satori data classification features. In this case, we assign phone number and user ID, social security number, and so forth. And that's what makes this all work. And we've also added the Athena information to our security model. We have a security model on the screen here called Secured Data Sources. It's alongside Redshift and Postgres and other data sources that Satori supports. But at the top here, you can see Athena Workshop Sample. And because we've done all of that, we now start to tie it together. So if I run that query again in DataGrip, I'll do this one here and just rerun it, you'll actually see immediate evidence of that over in Satori in the audit log. So we'll look at the last 5 minutes of what's happened. And sure enough, this user ran that query. It'll tell you the exact query we ran, what security policies were applied, and so forth. And again, can't stress this enough. There is no user account in my Athena config or IAM config in AWS for this email. We're handling that in Satori. It's a big value add to the AWS Athena experience. So that's just a quick overview. And again, you can always go step 1, run through the Athena workshop to get set up with Athena. And step 2, go ahead and get connected to that with Satori. And you can have secured access to your sensitive data that's derived from Amazon Athena. Thanks so much for watching this video.